Are you looking for a truck that redefines power and durability in 2024? The Ford Super Duty stands out with its unmatched towing capacity and performance. In this guide, we'll provide a fuse box diagram and help you identify key fuses for your Super Duty. Underhood fuse box. The 2024 Ford Super Duty Underhood fuse box features high current fuses and relays, controlling critical systems like the engine, lighting, and drivetrain. It provides protection for key components such as the fuel pump and cooling fans. The box includes a diagram on the underside of the cover for easy fuse identification. Interior fuse box. The 2024 Ford Super Duty interior fuse box controls low current circuits for cabin features such as power windows, radio, and climate control. It offers easy access to replace fuses for interior electrical components. The box includes a labeled diagram to help identify specific fuses and their functions.
Type of fuses: blade fusee, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.